father and sons who played international cricket. Stud Broad, father Chris Broad. Tej Narayan Chandrapal, father Shiv Narayan Chandrapal. Yuvraj Singh, father Yogaraj Singh. Usman Qadir, father Abdul Qadir. Tendun Tini, father Makain Tini. Stuart Binney, father Roger Binney. Tom Latham, father Rod Latham. Sean Marsh, father Geoff Marsh. Arjun Tendulkar, father Sachin Tendulkar. Rohan Gavaskar, father Sunil Gavaskar. Mitchell Marsh, father Geoff Marsh. Sanjay Manjrekar, father Vijay Manjrekar. Tom Curran, father Kevin Curran. Hamish Rutherford, father Keen Rutherford. Bazid Khan, father Majid Khan. Sam Curran, father Kevin Curran. Shoaib Muhammad, father Haneeb Muhammad. Johnny Bristow, father David Bristow. Azam Khan, father Moin Khan. Sean Pollock, father Peter Pollock. Mohinder Amarnath, father Lala Amarnath. Chris Karen, father Lance Karen. Mark Boucher, father Alan Boucher. Alex Stewart, father Mikey Stewart. Bean Loughlin, father Trevor Loughlin. Doe Bracewell, father Brendan Bracewell. Ashok Mankad, father Vinod Mankad. Rishikesh Kanetkar, father Iman Kanetkar. Baz Diledi, father Team Diledi. Ali Razak, father Abdul Razak.